Hey there, I'm Lisa from here at HubSpot, and welcome to the latest edition of the Product Spotlight. In this video, my fellow marketing team members and I will walk you through this month's biggest and most exciting HubSpot product updates. Got a lot to cover today, so let's get started.
Hi, I'm Alex from the product marketing team, and I have 4 exciting updates to share with you today. Let's start where many prospects might learn about your company, on Facebook. Today, you now have the ability to boost a Facebook post to give it better reach and additional targeting and engagement. Take any Facebook post that you made within HubSpot Social Tool and easily get more visibility around your greatest content or campaign in just a few clicks. To start, click Create Ad under the Actions dropdown on any Facebook post within HubSpot. Next, let's talk about SEO. By some estimates, Google changes their search algorithm 500 or more times per year. With your to-do list growing and a lead target that you need to hit, it can be hard to keep up with the latest Google changes. With Marketing Hub, we'll give you a prioritized list of SEO optimizations that you can address to ensure your content is ranked highly across search. Head over to Marketing, then Planning and Strategy, and SEO, and select the Recommendations tab. From there, click on any of the prioritized issues to learn more and address each SEO optimization across your site. Creating content should be painless. So today, we've made a few updates to our content editor to make it easier than ever to create pages in HubSpot. First, we've updated and reorganized the content editor for website pages, landing pages, and the blog editor. This update makes the content editing experience consistent across all our content tools, including email. Next, we've made it easier to update global content without having to jump into the design manager. With global content editing, you can now click into a global module or group in the page editor, review the pages your change will impact, and update your content all on the same page. Lastly, we recently rolled out revenue attribution reporting, and I have a few exciting updates to share about this tool. First, you can now see revenue attribution by the campaign and compare how successful your recent campaigns were within HubSpot. Next, you can filter attribution by marketing versus sales and also see a list of preloaded attribution reports in the reports library.
Hi, I'm Sam from the product marketing team at HubSpot. Workflows is your automation engine in HubSpot. With Workflows, you can automate manual tasks, saving you time and smoothing out process. In the last few months, your Workflows tool has gotten a huge under-the-hood upgrade. As a result, you've seen a ton of new features that enable new automations and optimize existing ones. But those new features have always come with a caveat: only available in company, deal, ticket, and quote workflows. Good news, that caveat is no more. With a recent update, you'll be able to use all the new functionality on all your workflows, including contact workflows. That means a more consistent user interface and a more robust workflows tool all around. Here's what you can now look forward to in all your workflows, including contact workflows. Go to action. Merge branches so you don't have to recreate the same branch again and again. Copy contact properties to deals, quotes, and tickets. For example, when a contact fills out a demo form, copy their company size from the form submission to their company record. You can also set and clear deal, quote, and ticket properties from contact workflows. Add more than one condition to a workflow if-then branch. Make complex workflows easier to understand and build by consolidating your branches. Asana task creation. Create a to-do when a contact does something that merits follow-up action. For example, create a follow-up task when a contact fills out a consultation form. Workflows are available in professional and enterprise across hubs, and with these updates, they're more powerful than ever.
This month, we have loads of updates to HubSpot Sales Hub. First up, quotes. You may have noticed that quotes has made its way to the main navigation, making it easier than ever to view all quotes or create a new quote. You can also now recall and edit any previously published quotes, meaning reps can update a quote or make small revisions without having to create and share an entirely new quote. It's important to note that once a quote has been signed or paid, it cannot be recalled or edited. Next up, I want to share some of the recent improvements to the Hubspot Mobile App. A refreshed task experience for sales reps on the go makes it even easier to filter, sort, set priority, and access all of your task queues. We've also rolled out some improvements to the activity feed for mobile and introduced a new cross-object search experience to make working on mobile the same seamless experience as working on desktop. Simply update the latest version of the mobile app and give it a try. In addition to the mobile improvements, I want to call out a few of the other updates to tasks. A new task property called Task Completion Date makes it super easy for managers to report on task completions and ensure that tasks are being completed on time. And to make it even easier for reps to complete those tasks on time, a new task queues experience gives reps the option to complete, skip, or reschedule tasks right from the top task queue bar. Last, but certainly not least, new permission settings for sales content are now available to Sales and Service Hub professional and enterprise customers. The new settings allow you to decide which templates, sequences, and documents are shared and which are just for you.
Hey everyone, I'm Marcus and I have a number of great updates to share with you Service Hub users who are using our knowledge base tools. Now live, all knowledge base users can create password protected articles. These restricted access articles allow you to share information that you want to get into the hands of just certain users. The cool thing about this update is that you can control the access via lists. So create a list of users, hop to the article you want to restrict access to, and voila, set an article to private, restricted, so that only certain people can access it. You can also now add search tags to your knowledge articles. Search tags improve the results your visitors see by tagging an article with words or phrases people typically use to find it. You can add these helpful tags from the Knowledge Base Insights screen or while creating or editing an article. Finally, visitors can now search knowledge base articles right from your chat widget. That's right, HubSpot Live Chat now provides the ability for people to search and discover the knowledge article that will help them solve their issue. This is the type of immediate self-service that customers are looking for these days. Access this new feature in Conversations by selecting the Knowledge Base plus Live Chat chat flow template. And that's all for me, thanks.
That's all for today, folks. As always, if you can't get enough HubSpot product updates, you can check out our product updates blog using the link in the description below. Also, keep an eye out for our monthly newsletter that highlights some of the most exciting product updates to help you stay informed. We'll see you next month.